Omukoro gwakorwa itendekero lya St Ambrose Institute of Health Sciences omutawuni ya Kagadi ebitongore ebitari bya gavumenti byedikyerire obusinguzi bwabyo ahabwa embeera nungi etirwaho gavumenti. Paulo Mulinda or Executive Director wa Kitara Civil Society Organizations Network nagira ngo amaana mingi mbakagato mu kushomesa eminyeto abakazi n'abatari kwebasa.
This time we want to go beyond and also work with refugee communities. We have done some bit of work in the last strategic plan with the refugee communities.
Dennis Busobozi wabire al Executive Director Kitara Civil Society Organizations Network nagira ngo bakabanza kukorera mu mbeera mbi na mnonga habwe ngo utozi rukubi kandi yasiima gavumenti abo kutungura ekyanga eki
ahabw'okuba sente zikazitakanya kandi na emberi twakorera muga ekabetanguhire engudo zikaba ziri mbi amasomero gabi amarwaro gaha services ziri puwa ziri mbi baitu twakorana amani twaletaho empinduka hinduka.
Hedwig Mbazira or board chairman wa Kitara Civil Society Organizations Network nagira ngo bakozeje na gavumenti kandi ngo tubatungire mu buzo bwona ahabwa emyaka 20 bamara barukuhereza abantu.
Organization to mobilizingire community tuyambire community kandi CSOs na CBOs na NGOs njya mu community zona nzikora kurungi kandi batusima tutungira conflict with local government tutungira conflict with each other tukozere ibintu birungi kandi kisoni kurakurana.
Actually my call to government is to support more, to give more support, to give more partnership with the CBOs, the civil society organizations. Reason being that we have areas that we reach on to where the government cannot reach. So when given the chance and support from the government to make us operate, it will help even to serve the communities which are hard to reach.
Benjamin Tumusime omuhezi w'omujekero gwa president mu district ya Kagadi asemeye emirimo y'okukorwa ebitongore ebitari bya gavumenti abo kongesereza mu kutungura ihanga
kwimusaho ninga ku opening bakweta civil society space ebitongore ebyo biyambire Uganda omunkorakorana na munonga ombicweka bitari bimwe na bimwe twine binje munonga konkizoberi na sima ba kisoni
nubwo buhezi kurwa mu kitongore cya WWF Uganda kitongore kitari cya Civil Society Organizations Network tumazira emyaka 6 kirukora hakuhindura enteekateeka omubintu by'obuhangwa nkevera hamwe n'ebishara omukyanga kya Bunyoro kandi batuyene bakorana districts n'obushaki kikurwa mu kitongore cya National Forestry Authority.
15 20
Gasha kwa Somas tumwebaza.
Thank you.